morning, Denver. Today we're at TRU by Hilton Denver Hotel here in Denver, Colorado. And we are staying in a double standard room. So I wanted to show you a tour of the room. So let's head on over to the bathroom. When you first walk in the door, you have this bathroom. And ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say that this lighting here that they give you is the best bathroom lighting I think I've ever had in my life. Perfect for putting on the makeup. They have these cool, I like it, it's kind of contemporary, some hand soap and some lotion for you. All you have to do is squeeze it and it comes out. So that's kind of cool. You don't really have to worry about running out. With that being said, you don't get to take the leftovers with you. You know what I'm saying? So the room also comes equipped with a hair dryer in this bag, which is kind of cute. Good hair day. You have plenty of outlets. And then lots of nice sink space. They have plenty of towels down here for us. And then 2 rolls of toilet paper. We have the toilet, of course. And then a really beautiful shower. Very modern looking. They have this folded back, which is really nice, so you just undid that. But a really nice shower with these glass doors. We have conditioner, body wash, and shampoo that comes in these squeezy bottles. So really you don't have to worry about moderating your use for that. So let's head on over to the bedroom area. So here we have a full body length mirror, which is really convenient for getting ready. We have some space for you to hang your clothes or whatnot with. They provide you with hangers, of course an iron and an ironing board, and they have a mini fridge down here with a little additional shelving, which is really nice. Then you come on over. These beds are super cute. They're really comfy. I love the backboard of it. I like the look and the colors was really nice. Of course, you have your little table here. They have this, an alarm clock with a little additional charging, a lamp, phone, and then another charging station back here. This bed, of course, and then we have a couple additional lamps and whatnot with the air right here, and then our window, which is really nice because they have like a little blind diffuser, and then they have like the mother of the blinds that really get the place dark. And then over here we have a little desk and a flat screen TV. And first of that is on the side, there is another charger. So all in all, I really like to stay. They had breakfast in the lobby, which was really nice. It ranged from chorizos to omelets, already pre-wrapped and packaged for you so you can take them and go because you know COVID. Muffins, bagels, yogurt, which their yogurt was delicious, milk, water, coffee, tea. They had it all really, fruits, good breakfast. Then they have a bar in the lobby. I had a truly amazing stay at the TRU by Hilton Hotel by the Denver airport, and I loved it. I definitely recommend checking it out. Beautiful amenities, beautiful location, love the scenery, and it was super, super clean. Even when you walked in the door, they had a little seal so you knew you were the first person opening the room. I felt clean at breakfast. Everything was really clean, sanitized, and gorgeous, and very contemporary, so thanks for watching. This was the TRU by Hilton, and I really hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm gonna link all the information below, so check out these links below, and have a good visit to Colorado.